Darius seems a bit worried and Darius is going to the playground at night to pick up Cyrus, and Darius tells that Cyrus and Brenda had a fight and Brenda had kicked Cyrus out of the house, and Darius is also very worried after knowing about this fight, and Darius has never seen Cyrus and Brenda fight, and then Darius meets Cyrus in the playground and Cyrus looks very sad, and Brenda kicks Cyrus out and Cyrus admits that it is all my fault, and Cyrus does not understand what to do, and Cyrus is very grateful to Darius for coming, and Darius is also very surprised that Cyrus and Brenda can fight, and Darius wants to end the fight between Cyrus and Brenda and make peace, and Darius wants to take Cyrus back home. But Cyrus does not want to go back home because Brenda kicked Cyrus out of the house, and Darius wants to fix all this situation again, and while Cyrus does not want Darius to get into this problem, and Darius is surprised that everything was fine, then why did Cyrus and Brenda suddenly fight? And Cyrus is regretting that he should not have yelled at Brenda. And Darius also wants to go home with Cyrus to solve the problem, and Darius is ready to go inside the house, but Cyrus is nervous about going inside the house, and Darius promises Cyrus that everything will be fine again, but Darius is also a little scared of facing Brenda, and finally Cyrus agrees to go inside the house, and Darius and Cyrus get inside the house, and Darius meets Brenda, but Brenda objects to Cyrus coming back home, and Brenda has also packed Cyrus' bag, and Darius tries to explain to Brenda. And while Brenda does not want to see Cyrus at home, and Cyrus is saying sorry to Brenda, and Darius wants Brenda to forgive Cyrus, and Cyrus also wants to reset everything. But Brenda does not want to listen to anyone, and Brenda wants Cyrus to leave the house with the bag, and Cyrus is apologizing to Brenda, and Darius also tries his best to make the situation better, and Darius can't stand to see Cyrus and Brenda fighting, and Cyrus wants to hug Brenda, but Brenda moves away from Cyrus, and Darius does not see anything getting better. And then after a while of fighting, Darius sees Cyrus and Brenda laughing and talking to each other, and Cyrus and Brenda even hug. Then Darius realizes that all this was a prank from the beginning, and Cyrus and Brenda play a very amazing prank on Darius.